Rebuild Tuskegee LLC and HBCU Realty have come together to achieve one mission, one goal, and that's to revitalize HBCU surrounding communities. For too long, our communities have been distressed, vacant, and surrounded by blight. However, we have found a solution.
We're going to take these houses, renovate them, and make sure everybody wants to come back, and not just for homecoming. We're going to come back year round.
HBCU Realty has purchased this property in Tuskegee, Alabama for $6,000 and are partnering with Rebuild Tuskegee to fully rehab this house. Rebuild Tuskegee recently transformed this property into this. For this Tuskegee alum. With their team of contractors and less Rebuild Tuskegee volunteers, they can and will get the job done. Now, we are all on a mission to partner with like-minded individuals, HBCU alumni who are ready to make a difference. We can't do it alone. That's why we're asking you to join us.
Invest at www.hbcurealty.com or learn more at www.fifthquarterinvestor.com.